to my channel. This is Gele Beauty. Today I want to show you how to achieve bridal celebrant both side fan. Yes, this is my correct customer. I call her rich auntie. She is here for her photo shoot, guys. If you check the outfit, she changed like 9 times. My first time in history, customer changed 9 times. I have seen 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. She changed 9 times. And these 9 outfits, guys, in fact, I don't know how to describe it. It's very gorgeous. All these things you see her wearing on her neck, on her hand, gold. Check her out on Instagram. She is Madam Gold. Her name on Instagram is Pat's Gold. Pat, P-A-T, then you write gold. The lady you are seeing here with me, she is the one selling, she sells gold here in UK. Yes, check her Instagram, Pat Gold. Yes, this is one of my rich auntie, my correct customer. Guys, in case you want to do your photo shoot, I am here in United Kingdom, London. I have studio here in my house. Yes, if you want to do your photo shoot, your birthday photo shoot, marriage photo shoot, any type of photo shoot, contact me. Contact me for your photo shoot. Contact me for your makeup, your gele, your traditional bridal hair, okuku. Yes, we are many in one beauty. The bride hair for the white wedding. We as well, we sell makeup product and oil perfume. We post worldwide. Thank you, guys. Yes, the measurement of this gele, is 40-60. We divide it into 40-60. The shorter part is 40. You use the 40 to cross it round. Then you use that 40 to create the V at the front. Yes, she is very happy because all the outfits and all the hairstyles she requested for, in fact, she was so happy. Yes, thank you, guys. Enjoy this video. Follow me on my Instagram, Gele Beauty. Follow me on my Facebook page, Gele Beauty. I am always live on Facebook. Come and join me. Let's enjoy the Benin music together. You know, YouTube, we cannot play music. Okay, guys, enjoy this video. See you on my next video. Don't forget to contact me for your event. I am available to travel worldwide. Thank you. Bye.